Hello guys, thank you so much for stopping by my channel. If you're stopping by my channel for the very first time, this is Change Your Look UK, and in today's video I'm going to be unboxing the slippers that I bought during the Black Friday sales, and the slippers is from Millen. If you know Millen, you will know that they're actually big brands, and their qualities are very good. Like, the quality, you cannot compare it. It's very good. So I normally buy from them when they're doing kind of sales or so, because I cannot actually put that kind of money into just slippers. I always wait for the sales, and then I can get some discount, but this discount this time, seriously, is very good. So the original price of the slippers was £229, and during the Black Friday sales it was slashed to £69. So I actually paid £69 for these slippers, and the slippers is beautiful. I tried it on, and it was really balanced, like firm to the ground. If you don't even know how to wear heels, you should be able to walk with this, because it was very blunt. But don't let me bite my tongue, please, because the slippers is very balanced, so you will love it. It's cute, it's beautiful, it's classy on your feet. I'm going to try it on for you guys to see how it looks like. So guys, without taking too much of the time, we're going to dive into the video. But before we do so, if you've not subscribed to my channel, please again support your girl now by hitting on the subscribe button, press on the notification bell for you to be notified whenever I upload a new video. I try as much as possible to upload new videos every now and then, so thank you so much for doing that. Let's dive into the unboxing. Is it unboxing or unboxing? Okay, let's go there then.
Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys.
So this is the slippers. Slippers is really nice, beautiful, gorgeous. Look at that. The details on it is what I actually love a lot. These details on it, the stones you can see on it, it makes it look very beautiful. And these stones are gold stones. It looks very good. Seriously, you need to see them on ground. It's beautiful. So guys, that will be all for the unboxing. So if you think you like the slippers, you think you would like to rock it during this Christmas, click on the link in the description section and order yours. The slippers is gorgeous, it's beautiful, it's comfortable, it's balanced. You can rock it. You can rock it during the winter if you drive. I don't want you to go freeze your leg because you want to rock Caribbean slippers. So you can rock it during the summer. You can buy it and keep it and rock it during summer, or you can wear it during this festive period if you actually drive, so you don't freeze your legs. So guys, that will be all for the video. If you think you like this video, please don't hesitate to give the video a thumbs up. Drop your comments about what you think about the review if you think you like it, and drop a comment if you think you would like to see more of this video on this channel. So thank you so very much for watching. I love you guys, and I'll see you guys on my next one. Bye.